Now we can discuss the reflection of light in the 10th class. So we have to discuss we have to discuss about the image formation by a concave mirror. So first case we have to consider that object is placed at infinity. When the object is placed at infinity, we have to draw the basic diagrams of concave mirror. This is our concave mirror. This is concave mirror, and this is the principal axis. This is our concave mirror. This is principal axis. This is our pole. This point is called pole. This is our focus, and this is our center of curvatures. If object is placed at infinite, it means the rays are coming from infinity. The rays are coming from infinities. We have to know the first basic principle is that if the rays are coming parallel to the principal axis, if the rays are coming at the principal axis infinity, object at infinities, it means object is placed here. So we have to draw the first basic image formation rules. This is our principal axis and this is our rays which is parallel to the principal axis, is always passing through the focus. Always passing through the focus. It means the image is formed. This is the image where the two rays are intersecting at a point at the focus point, and here the image form. Image form at focus. So it means here the image is in infinity. Here what are the basic characteristics, basic features of image? What is the basic feature of the image? Real. If this rays, this is the incident rays. Incident rays. Incident rays. This is the incident rays, this is the reflected rays. If reflected rays are meeting at a point in actual pattern, then it is called a real image. It means the image is real. First, the image is real. We have to remember that if the reflected rays meeting at a point in actually, then it is called a real image at focus. What is the formation of the image? At which point the image is formation? At the focus. And the third point we have to remember that the image is very diminished. The image is very diminished because at the point here the object is of larger length. If these rays are coming and meeting at a point of intersection of a focus, then the image form is diminished image, at focus image, and real image. So we have to remember these properties when the object is placed at infinity. So image formed at focus, real image is formed, and image is very diminished in this matter. So we have to conclude that. And the second image formation, so we have to draw second image formation when object place between infinity to center of curvature. Infinity to center of curvature. So next lectures we have to discuss when the object placed between infinity to center of curvature.